back down. He's right back out.
Roman needs to stay out of the clutches of the beast.
Another German suplex.
So agile.
And a trio of Germans to start this match.
We are second.
Superman punch Brock's down. Superman punch Brock's down again.
And Roman Reigns is not going to stop. He's not going to wait.
I know Roman portrays a cool, calm, and collected type.
He got him. And a belly-to-belly throw, and you can hear the thud as Roman's body hit the floor.
A bone shit. But inside there's chaos.
Belly-to-belly throw, and Roman hit hard. Roman hit hard. Back into the ring, Reigns goes. Corey, we've said all along, this match is not going to be pretty. Another German suplex to Roman Reigns, this time a release.
Roman was its very first victim.
Another German suplex, I believe that's 5. Physically dominate, punish your opponent. Another belly-to-belly. It has been a suplex clinic.
Brock gets stronger as the match goes.
And this is heading in that direction with another belly-to-belly. Reigns landed high on his shoulder and just collapses in a lump outside the ring.
Roman's got to feel like he...
Now Lesnar just dragging Reigns. Corey, Reigns has been rather defenseless as he's
God.
the barricade.
That barricade shifted about 8 inches.
Nasty move.
Who's going to stop it?
And now Brock Lesnar's doing the same to Roman Reigns. And he's got Reigns on his shoulder. And what's he doing here? Reigns though from behind. Oh, Lesnar off the post. And this could be the opening Roman needs.
What little energy Roman Reigns probably has left, he used right there to just buy himself a little time.
That was pure instinct right there. Roman with a last-ditch effort to try to keep this match even going, to preserve his opportunity to become Universal Champion.
We knew this was going to be the most physical match of the night. It has been thus far. With Lesnar right onto our table. Reigns driving Lesnar onto and over our table. And the Beast.
Roman Reigns is willing to destroy anything and everything in his path if it means tearing the title from Brock Lesnar. And the big dog can sense it. Roman Reigns knows this is the first time he's had an opportunity to inflict punishment on Lesnar.
Roman Reigns looking to somehow put the Beast away and win the Universal Championship for the first time in his career. Reigns, Superman punch, and he caught him on the... Brock stunned. Brock back to his feet. Reigns again with his...
That's it.
But look at Lesnar. Roll back onto his feet.
Ow.
A second spare.
You talk instinct, Corey.
For the title. Hooks the leg. Lesnar kicks it too.
2 massive spears from the challenger.
And Lesnar, not quite sure Roman Reigns measuring his opponent. Heyman is pleading with his client. Oh my God! Right to the face. Cover by Lesnar. Hooks the leg. Reigns kicks it too.
Amazing.
I can't believe Roman Reigns isn't out cold after that knee.
And now Lesnar looking to put Roman Reigns away. An F5 to the challenger. Lesnar to retain. Picked out by Reigns.
I think Lesnar is looking at Roman Reigns thinking the exact same thing.
Roman Reigns going for yet another F5. With more impact. Cover by the champion. And Roman Reigns again stays alive. Lesnar can't believe it. You hear Heyman. Put him down. The Beast has had enough. Reigns on his shoulder for a third time. And a third F5.
That's it. Call it off.
Lesnar to retain the Reigns on heart alone.
3 F5s.
Heyman and Lesnar in disbelief.
I can't remember the last time anyone kicked out of 1 F5, let alone 3.
So 3 F5s at Roman Reigns. Now he just tosses Reigns to the outside. Roman, how much does he have left?
Just stay down, Roman. Fight another day.
There with Reigns on his shoulder, he's not going to do this. Not here. Not an F5 onto the table and through the table. 4 F5s have been delivered to Roman Reigns.
I'm not sure Roman can even get back up to get back into the ring.
I'm not sure why Roman would want to get back up.
Now look at Lesnar. Lesnar dragging. dragging the lifeless body of Reigns back into the ring.
What is Brock gonna do next?
It's almost like he's thinking, it's going through his head, what can I do?
4 F5s, multiple German suplexes, looking for another German suplex that he took. 6, I believe, from the Beast. Brock is enjoying this
This is what's happening.
looking for a 5th F5 on Roman Reigns. Number 5.
That's it.
Cover to retain at WrestleMania. Reigns again. How the hell is Roman Reigns still in this match?
Lesnar is getting more and more infuriated each time Roman refuses to stay down. And now Lesnar's taking off the gloves.
Now it's frustration. Now it's, you're just making me mad.
Listen to Heyman.
Oh my God.
And now Lesnar delivering
Oh my God.
the straight right-handed blows. You can hear the bones cracking in the face of Reigns after every strike by Lesnar. You see the official putting on the gloves. I believe Roman Reigns has been busted open by that straight right hand by Lesnar. That's the one you could hear clearly.
I believe it was the elbow contacting the forehead of Roman.
The Beast. Reigns from behind. Boom! Desperation spear. And another. Cover. Hooks the leg. And a kick out by Brock at 2.
It's like Roman saw the red on his hands coming from his own forehead, and it woke Roman up.
Now Roman Reigns is a mess.
He's having to blink it out. He's realizing now it's everywhere.
It's that Samoan bloodline that Roman fights for so proudly.
And look at Roman right in the face of Lesnar. Taunting, challenging the champion. Reigns again.
Oh no.
Lesnar. F5. Lesnar to retain on Reigns. Got it. Brock Lesnar.
Here's your winner and still the Universal Champion, Brock Lesnar.
The reign continues.
Unbelievable!
Brock Lesnar is still Universal Champion.
Roman Reigns fought like hell, but could not conquer the conqueror.
Roman Reigns could not have given any more of himself than he did here tonight. But sometimes too much of Brock Lesnar is just too much of Brock Lesnar.
Roman Reigns did everything he could. Roman Reigns fought through German suplexes, F5s through tables, a busted open face. But in the end, the Beast, Brock Lesnar, reigns supreme. What an incredible night in New Orleans at WrestleMania.